Welcome to Resell Cellular. Almost all of us have broken their iPhone at some point. Let's talk about some common issues and whether to repair or sell your iPhone. Cracked screens and cracked backs are the most common damage to iPhones. Replacing a cracked screen can range from $69 to over $300. Keep in mind that your iPhone might lose its water resistance and you can end up with an annoying message if you use an aftermarket screen. Cracked back repairs usually cost between $50 and $150 and generally have fewer side effects. iPhones can also have functional issues. Common issues are bad camera, mic or speaker, battery, and touchscreen. Please read our blog for DIY testing of these issues. Liquid and phones do not mix well. Generally, liquid damage is not worth repairing, but your iPhone still has some value and can be sold for parts. No matter what the damage is, your iPhone still has resale value. Resell Cellular is the best when it comes to reuse, repurpose, or recycling broken iPhones. Contact us today to discuss your issue and options.